Hello everyone, my name is Evgeny, it's a channel called Race Sunday, and today I'm starting to take apart my Civic. So the plan for today and maybe even for several next weeks to take apart Civic, to take off doors, windows, bonnet, engine, maybe even some parts of the suspension, and to inspect everything. Yes, Civic is in pretty good shape, but it's still better to check everything once again, maybe to go a little bit deeper than I did before. And the next step after that will be the installation of the roll cage, and also I want to reinforce the body a little bit. So stay with me. Little game before I will start to take apart Civic. I have 4 boxes here. I will start to unpack them and you will guess what is it. Hint, it's a tool. Tool for the garage, and the tool will help me with the Civic, and it's quite big and heavy. Right now stop the video and go to the comment section and just write down what in your opinion is it. And as might you guess it right, it's the engine crane. It's a Chinese stuff, but it's doing a job for its price. I mean, maybe it's not that great thing to use in some workshop where you change the engines every day, but for me, to use it 2 times a year, it's totally fine. And actually I have a pretty good experience with such engine crane. I had almost the same for 10 years, and it worked, no issues, and we'll see. Yesterday Tilo and me teared down the car, and now it looks like that, and nothing super special. I believe you've seen similar a lot of times, but I just want to show you how good this car is. I mean, have you seen something like that in the Honda Civic from 90s? Yeah, you can believe me that underneath it's totally unrusted, so there is no rust at all, and I believe it's one of the best Honda Civics in terms of the rust which I've seen in my life. It's really nice one, and it was painted before by the previous owner, and he did really good job. I mean, he found really good example to work on, and yeah, he did it even better. So huge thanks. And the next is the engine. Still waiting some tools which I need to do it, and then I will continue. Also, it became a little bit messy in the garage, so I bought some shelves. Now it looks a little bit better. Yeah, there is one more there, and I want to show you my really cute little toolbox I bought recently. Yeah, I mean, it was really hard to resist not to buy it. Actually, I saw it before, but it costed a little bit more than now. Now there was a special offer, so I bought it, yeah. Yeah, also I need to clean this up a little. And yeah, I need to make a floor like I did here. Yeah, so a lot of work to be done. Yeah, one more week passed and I didn't do anything with the Civic, mostly because I didn't have time and also I didn't have some tools. Then I've decided that I don't really want to work in the mess. I made a kind of platform. So yeah, the same platform I had here now I already have here. And yeah, most of the Civic parts and some tools I can store here now. Also, there is one more shelf there near the entrance, just for the trailer and the garage stuff. Also, I brought my simulator, yeah, partly. The monitor and the computer itself will come a little bit later. We are planning some small Assetto Corsa Championship next weekend with my karting team. And yeah, hopefully we will have some fun. Yeah, and I also brought my Hot Wheels. Yeah, not only Hot Wheels, but some small car collection to the garage. Now it will be here. And yeah, my wife is really happy because it's not in the box somewhere in the flat anymore. And yeah, I can collect them here. So yeah, now when everything is settled with all the things, with the mess and everything, I can finally pull the engine out of the Civic. The engine is finally out. So yeah, I did it quite quick. I guess I spent 2 hours maybe. So my hands are still remember how to pull out the engine from the Civic. Yeah, again, the condition is, yeah, there are no surprises at all. There is some rust here, and I believe it's mostly because of the leak of the battery or something like that. So it's, at least I don't see any signs of damages or anything. So the car is almost perfect, especially for the 30-year car. And yeah, and now I'm pretty sure that I will not do anything with the engine, so it will not go back to the Civic. Yeah, I guess I will stick to the B16 engine. Hopefully I will find one, but yeah, this series, I don't know. It's pretty cheap, reliable engine, but it's pretty hard to get more than 150, 160 horsepower. I'm not sure if it's actually worth it. I mean, to build this series. So the body is already empty. There, I still need to cut the windows, and I already ordered some tools. I will not say which one, and some parts also. And yeah, I guess in 1 week or 2 I will start the upgrading the body. And I will not tell you how, but you will see it soon. So, bye bye, thank you for the support, and see you soon.